We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this German professional football coach and former player who is the head coach now at Premier League club Chelsea. So how do you go about pronouncing his name? No, it is not Thomas Tuchel, or neither is it Thomas Tuchel. He's not French but German. In German, this is normally pronounced as Thomas Tuchel. Thomas Tuchel. In English, however, it is usually said as either Thomas, but more clearly and correctly Thomas Tuchel. Thomas Tuchel, it is usually said in English, but in German, Thomas Tuchel. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names from football whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.